In this video, I will guide you on how to recover a disabled or suspended Facebook account. First, launch open the Facebook app and log into your account. When you log into your disabled account, you're going to find a message like this. Here it says your account has been suspended and you have 180 days left to appeal. Now you want to tap on the appeal option at the bottom of your screen. Now enter your email address. You can use the email linked to your Facebook account or another valid email address, then tap on next. Now check your inbox for verification code. Enter the code and continue. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Depending on why your account was suspended, Facebook may ask you to take a selfie, record a short video, or upload a government-issued ID such as passport, driver's license, state ID, or another accepted document. Choose the verification method that works for you. Upload the required documents and complete the required verification, then tap on Submit. Facebook will do all the information carefully. Then you will have to wait for their decision. If you don't see the appeal option because your account has been suspended for some time, you want to open any web browser. Now here type in Facebook Recover Suspended Account. Then head over to this website right here. Here it's going to give you the instructions on how you can recover your suspended account. Here scroll down and tap on No for was this helpful, then select any reason. After that, you want to enter your problem over here. Go ahead and mention all the details, then tap on Submit. If you scroll down a bit, you also have the option of Chat with Meta AI support. You can select this, then describe your problem here as well. Now remember that the recovery isn't guaranteed, as Facebook will only restore accounts if they determine that the suspension was made in error or after successful identity verification. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.